Today we are here in Smyrna at a great new neighborhood called Logans Walk, and I'm here with Amy from Traton Homes. And Amy, I understand that this has been a super successful neighborhood over the past few months since it's opened, and 50% of this neighborhood is actually already sold. So in your opinion, what do you think makes Logans Walk so special?
Well, first, let's begin with our location. We are located in this great Smyrna location, so close to everything. We're within 5 miles from Smyrna Market Village, the Battery and Vinings, also these great new home sites that we have. This is our brand new jewel box collection here for Traton Homes. So these homes are gonna lend itself to a lot of live workspaces, wonderful open spacious floor plans, perfect for entertaining, families. We just really offer everything you could possibly want right now in these large homes.
And speaking of entertaining, I understand there's going to be some great areas within the community that's going to be really fun to have that'll be here soon.
Yes, this neighborhood is a great, cozy, close-knit community of about 33 home sites. And soon we're gonna have a great fire pit for people to gather, and it's just a great, cozy, close-knit community.
I love that. And not only is this such an incredible location, these homes are so spacious, large, there's so many options with it, but the price point, Amy, it seems so good.
Oh, it's really a great value, cannot be beat. So we start in the 400s, and in Smyrna right now, that is so hard to find for new construction single-family homes. Our homes are going to feature owner suites upstairs or on the main level. We offer a wide variety of floor plans here. We have anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms, starting at 1,900 square feet, and we go all the way up to 3,000 square feet.
And what kind of availability is there for the homes right now?
So right now we offer both types of availability, ones that ready now, and also ones if they wanted to do a pre-sale and start from the ground up, we have those also.
Well, I'm sure there are some viewers out there that would love to learn more about Logans Walk. So what's the best way to do that, Amy?
So there's 2 ways. Of course, you can go to TratonHomes.com and go to our community website, and you can call us at 678-391-9489.
Well, Amy, thank you so much for being here with me today. And do not wait to check out Logans Walk because, as we said, it's already 50% sold. You will definitely want to see this neighborhood in Smyrna by Traton Homes.